Good morning, students. This is Supriya. Again, in this video, as a subject teacher English. So last class we have done the exercises of travel plans. Now today in my online classes I have discussed the exercises which is on page number 27. Although just because of the network issues, the class was not very much satisfactory from my side because so many times I have got disconnected, but still, so in this video just go through the video, and whatever the lacking there was lacking in the classroom, I try to fulfill it in this video. So India has a rich variety of landscapes and climates, and all of us know that India is rich heritage and culture, and there are so many cultural diversity is present in India, and this not only gives India a colorful wing but also has very made it very popular, internationally famous, and famous tourist sport. It is one of the very rich tourist spots, and you could say favorite tourist place for the international people, for the foreigners. This has made it a famous tourist spot for people all over the world. Let us have a quiz to check our awareness of India, how our motherland, uh, awareness of India, our motherland. Now take your responses. So the first question is, which city, which, what, which city is called the Pink City? It's Jaipur. Where is the famous Sun Temple of Konark situated? It is in Puri. It is in Puri. Okay, let me find out the brush also for you. So the first response is Jaipur. Second is Puri. Okay, the third question is, where is the holy shrine of Sikh, the Golden Temple, situated? It is in Amritsar. Which place is known as the paradise on earth? It is Kashmir. Where is Mahabalipuram? That is in Tamil Nadu. Which city is called the Queen of Nilgiri Hills? It is Ooty. Which is the famous tourist city at the southernmost tip of India? Kanyakumari. So student, these are the little questions which are related from in our motherland India. Now what we have to do in, this was B1, this was your B1. Now we will do B2. What is B2? Rima's parents are planning a holiday trip to Kanyakumari during her summer vacation. Her father, Mr. Ajay Jain, meets Mr. Singh for Sita Travels to get information about the place. Now what we have to do, we have to read a tape script which is present on page number 39. It is page number 39 we have to read. Then we have to do this worksheet B3, which is a web chart. As you can see, it is on page number 28. Page number 28. You can see there is a web chart, and at the center it is, you can see written Kanyakumari, and several blurbs are present in the web chat, in which we have to fill the informations which we will gathered from that tape script while we will read that tape script, and we have to fill that informations here. So first what we are going to do, we are going to read that tape script, and I have thought of an activity which I will perform on tomorrow's classroom. I am going to distribute the whole gallery into two students group, in which the students will perform these two characters, which are Mr. Singh and Mr. Ajay Jain, and they will deliver their particular dialogues. So here I will read few of the dialogues, and you all are going to practice in your at your home, and be ready for the activity performed tomorrow. Now the first, that the tape script title is Kanyakumari, where three seas meet. Mr. Singh: good morning, sir. How can I help you? Mr. Ajay Jain: hello, I am Ajay Jain. I am planning a holiday trip to South. Can you guide me? Mr. Singh: South India is full of places of tourist attraction. Do you have any particular place in mind, Mr. Ajay Jain? Basically, it is a conversation between a person who is planning a holiday for him and his family, and he has visiting a travel agent who is providing him the informations about some places, and that person is asking about his interest, the person who wants to go on holiday. So his choice is in south, and south is full of tourist attraction. So, and that person, Mr. Ajay, then gave preference to the place Kanyakumari. Now it's this person, this travel agent, Mr. Singh, will give him informations about Kanyakumari, and these are the things which will help us to do the exercises which we have to do in that sections which we have left there. So, well, Kanyakumari is located at the southernmost tip of India. If you just go through with the map of India, you can see at the last southernmost tip there is Kanyakumari located, and it is located. You can see at the there are three oceans used to basically meet there. There are three seas: the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean meets. It is the meeting place of three seas: Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and the Indian Ocean. Now, how can we reach? Kanyakumari is well connected by rail and road. The nearest airport is Tiruvananthapuram, which is 87 km away from Kanyakumari. This was the physical appearance, or you can the physically approach to be. So it is well connected with the communication. So rail and road both are present there. Even though there is an airport is also there, which is 87 km away from Tiruvananthapuram. Now, what type of clothes should we carry with us during the season? This is the most important thing for a person, for a tourist. If he is planning to visit somewhere, what arrangement will be the first? He has to arrange his personal essentials, personal need necessary stuffs in his or her luggage. So the weather, just because the weather of Kanyakumari is humid, so that person has to pack the person, Mr. Singh is suggesting Mr. Jain that he should pack cotton clothes with you. Let me also tell you, Mr. Ajay, that the main languages spoken there are Tamil, Malayalam, and English. Since most people can understand English, I don't think you will have any problem with the language. So the basic language which are used by these Kanyakumari natives are Malayalam, Tamil, Malayalam, and English. And English, just because of international language, everyone is comfortable with this language. So, according to Mr. Singh, Mr. Jan should not face any problem. Now, rest of the part we'll read on tomorrow's class. So, the assignment will be to read this page and practice your part, which we are going to do as an activity class of English in tomorrow online class. So, bye bye for now.